Get it. Get it. You can get it. Go ahead.
Wow. They're good climbers. Now he can't get back. Oh no. Oh,
Honey, honey. Did it do when they go off in the diaper? Gonna check? That's not my son, that's your son.
Yesterday was my diaper day. Today is all yours. This gonna be nasty.
Alright. What does it mean? It means that on your corgi, you can go like this and literally pull out tufts of corgi.
Charles, you okay? You okay? What's going on? Hmm?
Ginger getting a belly rub. And what happens when they stop? What's your problem? Hmm? You want me to rub it?
This huge turtle showed up from nowhere. Oh, and Stella's having a fit. What is that, Stella? What is that? My God, where did he come from? It's so dry. I wonder if he's somebody's pet that escaped. Wow. Look at Stella. She is so far stretched out. My God.
Are you upset about something? Hmm? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. What else? Do you have something else? Shh.